Hey, it's Dave! Here to welcome you back into the Golf Cart Garage as we take a look at some street-legal accessories we're installing to our 2015 Club Car Precedent. We started out the project with side mirrors that have LED turn signals to complement the light kit. These mirrors are available with or without the LED lights, and they're just a simple install that requires dry fitting the mirrors to the struts and drilling pilot holes before installation. And here's a pro tip. Using a screwdriver to attach the mirror is a smarter way than using the drill the way I did, and will have less chance of stripping out the screws. Either way, these LED mirrors also required that we route the wiring down through the struts. Every cart is different, and for this one, we also had to drill another hole at the bottom of the strut to send the wiring through to the turn signal harness. The mirrors are high quality, adjustable to suit any driver, and display the turn signal light both on the mirror surface and on the front side to alert oncoming traffic. Next, we wasted some time testing out the turn signals, even though I rarely ever see anyone actually use them. We also installed a 5-panel interior rearview mirror for a panoramic viewpoint for drivers. This is also a very simple install that requires pilot holes to attach the mounts and uses knobs to attach the mirror to the mounts. Nick's comment here was that all of my installs are being done by a tool or a knob, which I found very hurtful, but a good joke is a good joke. The 5-panel mirror is basically universal, and the mounts are available to attach it to the struts or rooftop of pretty much any vehicle you can think of. We also carry other interior rearview mirrors in different styles that might more resemble what you'd find in your car. Just reach out to us if you need help outfitting your vehicle. Next, we moved on to seat belts. Again, every cart is different, so the belts that we carry are available in different styles to get the job done. For the front seats, we used a set of adjustable belts on a street-legal safety bar. This bar can be attached pretty much anywhere you can find a spot to bolt it on, but in this case, there are specific mounts for the Precedent front seats that attach it to already existing bolts. For the rear seat passengers, we had to get a bit creative. We used a seatbelt set with retractable belts that just have grommets at the ends for attachment wherever it works best for you. We folded out the seat to its cargo bed position and drilled a hole to the back of the seat frame and attached the center points there. Then we used the existing armrest bolts to attach the outside belts with the retractable ends. With those installs complete, we finished up the project by installing the safety grab bar made for the seat kit we'd already installed during an earlier renovation on this cart. This was the simplest installation because the bolts for this particular safety bar are pre-threaded to fit openings already in place from the seat kit manufacturer. So, the final pro tip for today is to add rear seat kit accessories from the same brand as the seat kit already on your vehicle to ensure they fit properly and install easily. Our video on that topic is linked at the top of your screen. The finishing touch was a GCG crew sticker for the windshield so we could deliver the cart to a happy client for an immediate neighborhood joyride. I would tell you to keep an eye out for it, but Nick made that camouflage wrap so good, you'll never see it coming. If you need help with installations, making your cart street legal, or anything else, stop by golfcartgarage.com or give us a call at 1-800-401-2934 so we can help show you around the garage. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more episodes. Thanks for watching GCGTV.